Kawadhi nyime en ni duol makedo gi yedhe mamero ji e pacho ka mong'ere kaka Nakada oyango nonro mar lipota margi ewi kaka jopuonjre mag mbalariany tiyo gi yedhe mamero ji. Koloso, jakom mar board mar Nakada Stephen Mairori owacho ni nonro mar lipodno en ranyisi mar kaka tiyo gi yedhe mamero ji nyalo thiro lek mar piny Kenya ne rowere. Jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen manoyuore nyasi ono e okenge ma piny owacho lero ni jo Kenya mopogore kaachiel kod ten mbalariany nyaka koro riw lwedo kedo kendo tiyo kanyakla mar neno ni rowere ok ti gi yedhe ma kamago.
We need to enhance the capability of the anti-narcotic drugs unit so that it can actually be able to assist and work closely with others, including Nakada and others, to ensure that we root out this issue.
These findings presented here not only highlight the severity of the problem, but also provides additional recommendations to address it. The challenge of drug abuse is not just a threat to public health. It is an obstacle to Kenya's development aspirations. If we do not act decisively, we risk losing the entire generation to addiction, mental health challenges, and wasted potential.
Alcohol was the most available substance among the students at 87.3%, followed by cigarettes 64.4% and shisha 41.2%. The findings of this report are a call to action for all of us, parents, educators, policymakers, and the young youth themselves. Let us unite in this fight to create a sober, healthy, and prosperous nation. The university management and the relevant stakeholders should roll out deliberate and sustained drug and substance abuse prevention interventions, including strong mentorship programs tailored to the needs of vulnerable population. There is also a need for collaboration and strengthening of the university chaplaincies to play an active role in the prevention of drug abuse.